There are 100 varieties of koi fish around the world, and they differ by patterns, types of scales, and colors such as white, black, red, and orange. They're also a symbol of love, affection, and success. Welcome back! In today's art class, we're going to draw and learn about koi fish. Grab a pen or a marker, a piece of paper, and some colors. All right, let's draw.
First, we're going to start with the head. We're going to come over here to the side of your paper. Do a little bit of a curved line. This is where the lips are going to go. Two little ovals. Now for the bottom, it's going to come from the bottom of the lip. And you're going to come up into a backward C. This is where the gills will go. Go ahead and draw in the eye. Circle. Circle inside. And then like the carp.
Did you know that koi fish can grow up to 3 feet long? That's insane! And they can grow to be up to about 35 pounds. That's really heavy.
Alright, now the back of the head, you're going to draw a backward C down here to the bottom. And then about halfway down where the gill is, or the cheek, you're going to do another C and close it. Okay, now we're going to add in the fins. We're going to draw one here. And then the tail is going to curve out, and this one will curve out, and then you can start in the middle, and then you're going to draw another curved line to meet the end.
Koi is the Japanese term for the common carp. The koi is much more beautiful than the common carp because it's bred in captivity and it's domesticated, which means it's raised by humans. They can live up to 50 years.
A dorsal fin and then a pectoral fin. Now the dorsal fin is going to start a little bit back. Go up and draw down to the back. So now we're going to go ahead and draw in some details. So we're going to put lines in all the fins, and then we're going to add a few scales. And down here.
Believe it or not, koi fish have very sensitive skin and they can get sunburned. They need several places where they can rest in the shade, like the lily pads you can see here.
And then let's add some scales. So you can come up here to the top of the head, and we're going to draw like upside down or sideways U's. You don't have to go all the way. These are just for the visual that they're there. We're going to color it in. And we can add some splashing. Some lines in the water.
Great job following directions. Now it's time to color. Go ahead and enjoy the music and a few more fun facts while you color your artwork. Great. Koi fish are omnivores, which means they like to eat plants and animals. Some of the things they like to eat include snails, crickets, tadpoles, and pellets, lettuce, cantaloupe, all those fun things. They do have teeth, they're in the back of their throat, so if you ever do hand feed them, they won't bite you. Did you know that koi fish females can lay up to 50,000 eggs in one breeding season every spring? However, only 50% of them will survive. Koi fish are incredibly intelligent and they can recognize when their owners are coming to feed them. Humans can train them to eat right out of their hands. Thanks for joining me today. And don't forget to check out last week's art class. Hit that subscribe button for new art classes and tag Fitz Art Clips when you upload a picture of your artwork. Can't wait to see what you create. See you next time.